Hi friends, my name is Akash and welcome to Python programming. This video is about how to install Python on your computer. So let us start. I'll open my web browser. I'll open Edge for me. And then I'll open Google. I'll search for Python download. Then the first link that comes here, download Python, python.org. I'll click here. And here, because I am using Windows platform, I'll be downloading Python for the same. So therefore it is showing the latest version that is available for my Windows, and I'll download this. To download this, I'll click this button. So the download has already started. You can see this here. So the exe file is downloading on my computer and it would take some seconds to have it completed. It's around 80% done already. So let's wait for another 5 to 7 seconds. The file is downloaded. Now I can open the folder. Here is the file that was downloaded. So I'll double click here so that the exe file runs. So there are two options available: install now and customize installation. We do not want to do much of the changes here, so we'll click on the first one. But clicking on the first one, before that we will click this last checkbox so that the Python 3.8 is added to the path. Then we'll click on install now. So the installation has started and it would be completed in just some time. Let's wait for it to finish. It will not be taking a very long time for this to complete, so we can just wait here. So the installation has completed. Now I can close it. I'll minimize this and then I'll try to see if it is running fine. So I've just searched Python here and there is a desktop app by the name of IDLE, which I will open by pressing the enter key. So let me maximize it. Let me run a couple of commands here to check if it is working fine. So it appears to be working fine. So this was how we were able to install Python on a Windows platform in our computer. So across different platforms we can install Python by taking the same steps, just the setup would be different according to the platform that would be required to be downloaded from the website. So I hope that you were able to install Python in your computer through this video. If you like the content, then please give a like to this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.